So AI has become the biggest industry ever, tech industry ever. The infrastructure is what powers it all. So there's not enough conversations around infrastructure. So this is one of those rare conferences where we're having the meaty, infrastructure discussions that power almost everything else in AI, which that's why it's so important.
The promise of AI will really be realized if you have robust infrastructure as the foundation on which these systems can run. So I think an event like this is very unique in the sense that it brings the people who are building the foundation, and the foundation needs to be solid and robust for everything that builds on it to be long-lived and beautiful.
What is the nature of reality that we can compute well enough? And really, we're just starting to see different infrastructure players come up with different answers. So it's really a very open race right now.
So always come to the connections and to the people who come to the events. And this is why I come to here every year, for getting some inspiration and just connecting with the people.
IGNITE is extremely connected community.
Welcome to the AI Infra.
Welcome to the AI Infra.
Welcome to the AI Infra.